Understanding atheism goes beyond simple disbelief. Atheism is often misunderstood as simply a lack of belief in God. However, it is more accurately defined as the belief that there is no God. This distinction is important because it highlights the active nature of the atheist position. It is not simply a neutral stance, but a positive assertion that denies the existence of a creator. This assertion carries with it a burden of proof, requiring justification and evidence to support its claims. Atheism, in its denial of a creator, often relies on arguments against the existence of God. These arguments typically focus on the problem of evil, the perceived inconsistencies in religious texts, or the lack of empirical evidence for God. While these arguments raise valid points for consideration, they often fail to provide conclusive evidence against the existence of a designer. Furthermore, atheism often struggles to provide satisfactory answers to fundamental questions about existence, morality, and purpose. Without a creator, the universe is often viewed as a random and purposeless accident. This perspective can lead to nihilism, the belief that life is ultimately meaningless and without inherent value. Therefore, it is crucial to engage with atheism not as a simple absence of belief, but as a distinct worldview with its own set of claims and implications. By understanding the basis of atheism, we can better appreciate the alternative perspective offered by intelligent design. Intelligent design offers a compelling alternative to atheism by providing a positive reason for inferring design in the universe. ID argues that certain features of the natural world are best explained by an intelligent cause, rather than by undirected processes like natural selection. This inference is based on the observation of specified complexity in nature. Specified complexity refers to systems or structures that are both complex and exhibit a highly improbable arrangement of parts. A random assortment of letters is complex but not specified. A meaningful sentence, on the other hand, is both complex and specified. It exhibits an improbable arrangement of letters that conveys a specific message. ID proponents argue that many biological systems, such as the human eye or the intricate machinery of DNA replication, exhibit specified complexity. The probability of these systems arising through random mutations and natural selection is astronomically low. The complexity and specificity of these systems point to the work of an intelligent agent. This inference to design is similar to the way we recognize human artifacts. When we see a watch, for example, we don't assume it assembled itself randomly. The intricate arrangement of gears, springs, and dials points to the work of a watchmaker. Similarly, Idaho argues that the complexity and specificity of biological systems point to the work of an intelligent designer. Intelligent design provides a unified understanding of the universe by recognizing the interconnectedness of its various aspects. Unlike materialistic explanations that often view the cosmos as a collection of disparate parts, Idaho sees the universe as an integrated whole, characterized by purpose and intentionality. This perspective offers a more coherent framework for understanding the relationship between the physical laws, the origin of life, and the development of consciousness. One of the key strengths of ID is its ability to explain the origin of information. Materialistic explanations struggle to account for the origin of the genetic code, which is essentially a complex language that governs biological processes. ID, on the other hand, posits that this information is the product of an intelligent mind. This explanation aligns with our everyday experience, where we observe that information always originates from an intelligent source. Furthermore, Idaho provides a framework for understanding the fine-tuning of the universe. The precise values of physical constants and the laws of physics seem to be perfectly calibrated for the existence of life. This fine-tuning is highly improbable under a purely materialistic worldview, but it makes perfect sense if the universe was designed with life in mind. By integrating the concepts of design, information, and purpose, Idaho offers a more comprehensive and satisfying explanation for the origin, development, and ultimate destiny of the universe. One of the most significant areas where intelligent design offers a compelling alternative to atheism is in the realm of morality. Secular explanations for morality often struggle to provide a solid foundation for objective moral values. In the absence of a higher authority, morality is often reduced to subjective preferences or cultural norms. This relativistic view of morality fails to account for the universal and objective nature of many moral principles. Intelligent design, on the other hand, provides a firm basis for objective morality by grounding it in the character of the designer. If the universe is the product of a benevolent and intelligent creator, then moral values can be seen as reflecting the character of that creator. This perspective provides a solid foundation for moral realism, the belief that objective moral truths exist. Furthermore, Idaho offers a more compelling explanation for the human conscience. The innate sense of right and wrong that transcends cultural boundaries is difficult to explain from a purely materialistic perspective. However, if humans are created in the image of a moral God, then the conscience can be seen as a reflection of that divine image. In a world increasingly grappling with moral relativism and the erosion of traditional values, intelligent design offers a refreshing and much-needed perspective on the foundation of morality.